everybody, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a green look from the request from one of my subscribers, Lishan. She suggested a black smoky look or a green look, so I'm going to be doing a green look today, a black smoky one another day. Super excited, got my green shirt on. I pulled out all my green eyeshadows here. I'm going to start off with putting the base eyeshadow down. I'm going to be using Perla from the Eyeshadow palette. I have quite a bit of green eyeshadows, surprisingly. I didn't think I had so many. I never use green. I'm not really a fan of green, but it's nice to experiment and try different things. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please put the notifications on, like, and leave a little comment. And next I'm going to do a transition shade. I'm going to be using Tanacon in the Conspiracy palette here. This is the transition shade. Got the Kat Von D mirror. I'm not supporting Jeffree Starrr. Most of my mirrors are all his, but there's a lot of stuff going on with Jeffree Starrr right now. Start off by using Agave here from the Eyeshadow Ulta palette. It kind of matches my shirt here. Well, it was pretty easy to find a green shirt. It popped out of my closet here. So I hope everyone is doing well. And I've been doing good. I've been working, staying busy. This has a lot of pigment. It goes on really well. You don't need a lot. And next I'm going to go into Kat Von D Saint and Sinner palette. I'm going to be using Testament and Exodus here. Start off with Exodus, put that in the crease. So it's been super hot here, just trying to stay cool while I'm working and just being strong here. And next I'm going to go into Testaments. I have a lot of colors, like this green glittery shade. I noticed I have a bunch in similar different palettes here. That in the corner. Next I'm going to be taking the greens out of one of my first palettes, Urban Decay Electric palette. It's a couple greens here. It's kind of similar to the one in Kat Von D. I'm going to be putting here. Add this as a highlighter up here. Well, that's a lot more pigmented than the one from Kat Von D with a similar color. Just put it over it because hers didn't show up very well. Next, I'm going to go in the Wild and Free palette. There's a couple greens here. It's like a green, blue, teal, and this green. Kind of a moss green here. Put it in the lower part of my... I'm going to put it in the lower part here. The green on top. You can kind of see it. Kind of lifting up the shadow beneath it. I have to try to fix it. Next, I'm going to go into the Smoke palette. My first one, I'll be using Loaded here. Put that on the outer edge here. This one's still really pigmented and dark. Going to be putting eyeliner on too. I haven't put eyeliner on in forever. Next I'm going to go in the Metal Matte palette. There's a couple greens in here. Similar to the Frida Kahlo one. Gonna Just blend it because it got lifted up. I'm using Watt here, so kind of blend it on the edge here. So trying to stay busy here, kind of bored. And I'm gonna go in with Ignite here. Wish things would open up again, I could go out. Next, I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette, this old palette that I never use. There's like a green shimmery, like kind of an army green here. You can see that. Let's go up here. I don't know about this color, I don't like it. It's kind of like moss, like army green. Hey everybody, I'm back. I went to go take my clothes out of the dryer and fold them, multitasking here. I counted and I've got 17 palettes here. So I'm gonna put a couple more on each eye and go to the next eye over here. So over here I've got Lucky Clover, and this one's kind of a bluish green, but I think it's more on the blue side. Spoiled, so we're just gonna use Lucky Clover over here. That's a cute palette with the little dog clover. Gonna put it underneath here. So I hope everyone's doing well and staying busy and positive. It's been rough. I just want all of this stuff to be over with, all the stuff that's going on in the world. It's been going on for way too long here, messing everything up. And next, actually there's a green in the Blue Blood palette. I was surprised at that. These are like bluish green, so I'm gonna go ahead and use those. Entitled and Flourishing. I'm gonna put Entitled up here. Kind of a highlighter in the brow bone. And Flourishing. There's also mint tea in here. It's this pastel green color right here. So I'm gonna put it on the inner part here. It doesn't really show up all that well. A little bit, you can kind of see it. Okay, we're gonna start on the other eye here. I'm gonna put Sea Haze in the inner part. It's from the Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean palette. I'm just gonna put it on the inner third of my eye here. There isn't much pigment to it. To kind of build it up. That's enough. I don't wanna mess with it anymore. Next, I'm gonna go in the James Charles palette. There's a few greens, 3 here. Gonna add this one here in the middle. It's funny how everything is kind of shifting around. Before James Charles was like the odd man out, and now Jeffree's on like a canceled list. And it's just funny how tables have turned. I like this green a lot, it's really pigmented. Gonna put the dark green here in the outer portion of my eye. So if you want to leave tips on like what you're doing to stay busy and productive and positive, leave them down below. It's a challenge. I've been trying to stay active, trying to stay like exercising. It's been too hot to like exercise outside, working out inside, like doing cable like workout videos. And it's okay. It gets boring. It's like no fun at the gym, like wearing a mask. I'm like over that. Okay, that's it for the James Charles palette. I used the 3 greens. This one's kind of a green too. This one's kind of a green too. I'll put that one in on top. It looks good in the inner corner. Okay, next we're gonna go in the Monster Conspiracy palette. There's What's the Tea and Illuminated here. Gonna put this in the outer part under the lower part here. So I've kind of had a headache the past few days, like a migraine. It's kind of annoying. Trying to push through it. It's kind of going away now. Gonna put What's the Tea in the top part here. It's a lot of fallout. Kind of getting muddy, like blending it all together. Hopefully we can fix that. And there's some greens in the Bloodlust palette, just Vile Serpent here. Put that in the crease. That looks good in the crease there. I love this brush, like double ended, like put the crease in with that and blend it out a bit. We just have a few more palettes left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's the Androgyny palette. Here is the Army Green color Military. It's kind of an ugly green color. I have this color in my paints too. It's called like sap green. Not a fan of it. Gonna put it above my crease here. Oh my god, this color is so ugly. This is like the ugliest green. It's like baby food green. Next we have a green in the Chocolate Gold palette, Money Bags. Gonna put that here like a blender. all the greens kind of look alike. They're like dark green sparkly, or like green pastel, or like bright green. Got 2 more to go here. It's the Thirsty palette. There's Splash here. Gonna put this right here. That's really vibrant. That looks really nice. Can put it on the lower part too. So next I'm going to do a black smoky eye in my next video. I hope you come back for that one too. Okay, we got one more palette here. Woo! I'm gonna put eyeliner on too, and I've got a green highlighter got planned to use. So there's 2 greens here, Sour and Cute. Gonna use these and we'll be done. It's in the inner part, upper part here. And the last one is Cute, because I'm feeling cute and green today. Expand it up here. And out too, down below. So I'm ready for St. Patrick's Day here. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna finish with my face here, the contour, highlighter, and the blush, and my eyes, and I will be right back. Hey everybody, I'm back with the final look. I did my eyes, I did my face with the contour. I used the Candy Apple Drip highlighter here. It's kind of dark, it doesn't really look like a highlighter. I use a blush too. And for my lips, I use Mistletoe here. Boom, is the thunder. It's starting to rain. Here's a thunderstorm coming. So I used Mistletoe here, the ombre, and Venus FlyTrap. I hope you like my look. And if you like my content, please subscribe, leave a comment below, like, share, put on the notifications, and I'll see you in the next one for a black smoky eye. Have a great day, stay productive, stay well, stay healthy and positive, and I'll see you on the next one, my little darklings. Bye! Love you! Bye!